Okay, guys, on day 3 and 6, you have cardio. Now, cardio is one of those things that is hard to prescribe. So, we're just going to give you a little bit of a structure and some demonstration of how the machines work. This is one of the treadmills. It's all Life Fitness. All the operating systems are pretty similar. As you can see, you just press the start workout function. With the treadmills, there is what we call some presets at the bottom. So you can just press 3, 9 or 6 kilometers an hour and it will take you straight to that speed. Otherwise, there's the up and down buttons at the side there, the plus and minus. That will increase the speed. So the console on the right-hand side will increase your speed and the console on the left-hand side will increase your elevation. So lifting the front of the machine up like you're walking up a hill. So now you know how to use a Life Fitness treadmill. The operating systems on the bikes and the cross trainers is pretty much the same. So what we're going to do now is set some intervals that you can do to increase your cardiovascular fitness. We're going to start with the treadmill. We're going to do 3 5-minute intervals with a 1-minute easy recovery. So this is really going to be specific to your fitness. A hard interval might be walking fast. The next level might be walking fast up an elevation, so using the elevation feature which we just showed you on the video, or it could be running. Whatever your version of hard is, we need you to do 3 5 minutes of that. Then have 1-minute recovery. Your recovery could be a walk, or it could be just pausing the machine and letting you get your breath back while standing beside it. From there, we want you to move on to the cross trainer. So the cross trainer sort of represents a cross-country skiing motion. It's great to elevate your heart rate without putting any load on your joints, getting your upper body and your lower body going. So we want you to do 3 by 2 minutes hard. So that is a 2-minute hard interval. There is a level feature on the cross trainer, so you can put the resistance up, so it makes it harder. It elevates your heart rate. Do 2 minutes with a 45-second rest, and then repeat that 3 times. So to finish off today's cardio session, we are going to do bike intervals. Now there's 2 types of bikes at One Fitness. There's the spinning bikes, which replicate more being out on the road on, let's say, a traditional road bike. And then there's your traditional upright exercise bikes, which is the Life Fitness brand. We don't care which one you use, as long as you do these intervals and you work hard in these sprints. So we're going to do 5 by 30-second sprints. That is 30 seconds as hard as you can by turning the resistance up, having something to push against, almost like you're trying to ride up a hill or you're sprinting against a friend in a race or something like that. And then having 30 seconds recovery after that. With that 30 seconds recovery, you can just spin your legs, back the resistance off, or even stop pedaling altogether. Repeat that 5 times. I want you to work really hard during the sprints, and I want you to recover during that 30 seconds. Once that's done, you've finished all of the hard work. Now, with all your other workouts, warming up and cooling down is still important. So now that this is finished, we just want you to probably stay on the bikes, probably the easiest way, or head back over to the cross trainer and then just back the resistance off and just cool down at an easy resistance and an easy intensity for another 3 to 5 minutes. That's your cardio day done.